There are some AI powerhouses flying under Wall Street's radar, all trading for under $15. Today, we're diving deep into 7 groundbreaking AI stocks with massive growth potential, poised to deliver exceptional returns. Stick around because at the end, I'll reveal a comprehensive data comparison that breaks down their key financials, helping you identify the strongest contender for your portfolio. Recursion Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, ticker RXRX, is a clinical-stage biotech company that's completely redefining drug discovery by integrating cutting-edge AI and machine learning. Unlike traditional human-led hypothesis testing, Recursion uses its proprietary AI-integrated operating system to industrialize drug discovery. A major highlight is their REC4881, a first-in-class MEK12 inhibitor, showing positive Phase 1b2 results for familial adenomatous polyposis, a hereditary condition with a near 100% lifetime risk of colorectal cancer. This drug was specifically identified for FAP through AI-driven cellular phenomics, demonstrating the power of their platform to unearth novel therapeutic avenues. The Tupelo trial revealed rapid clinical activity and significant durability, suggesting sustained therapeutic benefits. Recursion's robust partnerships with industry titans like Roche Genentech, NVIDIA, Sanofi, Bayer, and Merck KGaA have already generated over $500 million in milestone payments, validating their platform and providing non-dilutive funding. They boast a strong cash position of $785 million, providing a runway through 2027. However, it's crucial to note the Q3 2025 revenue miss of $5.18 million against an expected $16.95 million and ongoing substantial quarterly losses of around $100 million. Despite the cash burn and the inherent risks of clinical development, the company's AI-powered approach and strategic collaborations present a compelling long-term opportunity, with JP Morgan recently upgrading them to overweight with an $11 price target. Next up, Veritone Inc., ticker VERI, is an artificial intelligence technology company providing enterprise AI and data solutions primarily through its AIware platform. This platform orchestrates machine learning models, turning unstructured data into actionable intelligence for a diverse client base. Veritone recently made significant financial strides, reducing its total debt by approximately $77.5 million, which includes fully paying down its senior secured credit facility. This strategic move slashes annual debt-carrying costs by over 90%, freeing up significant cash flow. The company reported robust Q3 2025 revenue of $29.1 million, a 32% year-over-year increase that surpassed analyst expectations, largely fueled by a 55% surge in software products and services. Their Veritone data refinery showed particularly strong momentum. However, despite revenue growth, Q3 also saw a larger than anticipated loss per share of -0.41. Veritone's growth strategy centers on data monetization and strategic partnerships, such as their collaboration with Armada to build an integrated edge-to-enterprise data fabric system for real-time intelligence. Needham maintains a buy rating with a $10 price target, highlighting substantial upside. While continued net losses and intense competition are challenges, Veritone aims for operating profitability by late 2026, making it a pivotal period for this AI innovator. Our third pick is SentinelOne, ticker S, a leading cybersecurity provider specializing in AI-powered threat detection and response across endpoints, identities, and cloud workloads. The company delivered a strong FQ3 2026 performance, with revenue reaching $259 million, a 23% year-over-year increase, exceeding analyst estimates. Annual recurring revenue climbed 23% to $1.055 billion, demonstrating robust client acquisition and expansion. SentinelOne has achieved sustained quarterly profitability, posting a non-generally accepted accounting principles operating margin of 6.8% and a 6% free cash flow margin in Q3 FY 2026, a significant improvement year-over-year. The company's innovative Purple AI has seen a rapid 40% attach rate among new licenses, validating its applied AI approach. Furthermore, SentinelOne secured GovRAMP authorization at the high impact level for its Singularity platform, opening considerable new revenue streams in the government sector. While the stock did experience a dip following Q3 earnings, partly due to CFO departure news, Analysts like Raymond James remain bullish with a $25 price target, and Berenberg initiated coverage with a buy rating. The company projects FY 2026 revenue of $1.001 billion, indicating a 22% year-over-year growth, making SentinelOne a compelling AI play despite market volatility. Coming in at number 4 is Stagwell Inc., ticker STGW, a digital-first marketing and communications company that's embracing AI to transform its services. Stagwell offers a comprehensive suite of digital transformation, performance media, and data-driven solutions globally. A major catalyst is the launch of NewVoices.ai, an enterprise-grade platform leveraging adaptive AI for sales, customer support, and retention, providing 24/7, multilingual, personalized engagement. This moves beyond traditional chatbots to drive conversions at an unprecedented scale. Stagwell has also partnered with Google Cloud for Gemini models and Palantir to develop an AI-powered audience platform, which CEO Mark Penn calls the holy grail of marketing. Financially, Q3 2025 adjusted EPS of 24 cents beat estimates, with total revenue reaching $743 million. Net revenue grew 5.9% year-over-year, with international markets surging 25.9%. Their marketing cloud segment demonstrated exceptional 138% growth. While Stagwell carries a substantial debt load and faces some headwinds in its communications segment, its aggressive share repurchase program and analyst projections for 10 to 11% annual revenue growth through 2030 suggest strong management confidence and significant upside potential. This company is strategically repositioning itself for the AI era. Resolve AI, ticker RZLV, is our 5th pick, a company that's rapidly deploying generative AI solutions across the retail and e-commerce sectors globally. Resolve AI reported exceptional growth in 2025, with first-half revenue surging 426% year-over-year to $6.3 million, and an astounding gross profit margin of 95.8%. The company has raised its annual recurring revenue (ARR) guidance, now targeting over $200 million by the end of 2025, a significant jump from its original target. This success is driven by its proprietary Brain Suite technology, which integrates conversational AI, visual search, and payment solutions to combat cart abandonment and boost digital sales. Resolve AI has expanded its enterprise customer base to over 100 global clients, including major brands like Adidas, Burberry, and Target, with new agreements with Snapdeal and expanded partnerships with AJIO, GAP, and Banana Republic. Strategic partnerships with Microsoft and Google provide crucial cloud infrastructure and go-to-market resources. While the company expects a generally accepted accounting principles net loss for 2025 due to non-cash items, it anticipates achieving positive adjusted EBITDA by December and profitability by H1 2026, with $230 million in cash. Resolve AI is well-funded to execute its aggressive growth strategy, making it a high-growth AI play. Cerence Inc., ticker CRNC, is a global leader in AI-powered user experiences for the automotive industry, with its technology embedded in over 525 million vehicles worldwide. Cerence recently reported a strong Q4 FY25, exceeding expectations with revenue of $60.6 million and significantly improving its gross margin to 72.6%. Adjusted EBITDA also outperformed guidance, reaching $8.3 million. For fiscal year 26, the company projects impressive revenue growth of approximately 23% year-over-year, including a $49.5 million patent license payment from Samsung that underscores its valuable IP monetization strategy. Cerence is advancing its XUI platform, which combines its AI with NVIDIA AI enterprise software on Microsoft Azure, with multiple global automakers selecting this platform for vehicles launching in 2026. This solidifies their market position and future revenue streams. The company has also demonstrated exceptional financial discipline, reducing debt by $87.5 million in fiscal year 25 and generating positive free cash flow for 6 consecutive quarters, nearly tripling to $46.8 million. While competition from tech giants like Google and Amazon remains a factor, Cerence's deep integration into the automotive ecosystem and its proven ability to generate significant cash flow make it a compelling AI investment under $20. Finally, Snap Inc., ticker SNAP. the innovative technology company behind Snapchat, known for visual communication, augmented reality, and increasingly, AI-powered features. In Q3 2025, Snap reported encouraging financial progress, with revenue growing 10% year-over-year to $1.51 billion, surpassing analyst expectations. The company's community reached 477 million daily active users and 943 million monthly active users, showcasing continued strong engagement. Snap is also making significant strides towards profitability, reducing its net loss by over 30% to $104 million and achieving $182 million in adjusted EBITDA. A major growth driver is the Snapchat Plus subscription service, which saw other revenues surge 54% year-over-year to $190 million, now operating at an annualized run rate exceeding $750 million, providing crucial revenue diversification beyond advertising. Snap's leadership in augmented reality is undisputed, with over 350 million daily AR users and plans to launch AR spectacles publicly in 2026. While North American advertising revenue saw a modest decline and regulatory headwinds present challenges, Snap's robust balance sheet with $3 billion in cash and a new $500 million share repurchase program reflects strong management confidence in its long-term AI-driven vision. Now, let's take a closer look at the raw numbers. Starting with current prices, all 7 are comfortably under our $15 threshold, with Resolve AI at $3.03 and Veritone at $3.77 offering particularly accessible entry points, while SentinelOne is the highest at $14.65. When we consider market capitalization, Snap Incorporated stands out as the heavyweight at $12.33 billion, demonstrating its established market presence. On the smaller side, Veritone at $323.3 million and Cerence Inc. at $515.4 million highlight companies with significant room for growth if their AI strategies gain traction. Shifting to revenue, Snap Inc. once again leads with a massive $5.77 billion, closely followed by Stagwell Inc. at $2.89 billion, showing their scale. In stark contrast, Resolve AI at $5.30 million and Recursion Pharmaceuticals at $43.68 million are early-stage players with immense growth potential from a lower base. Gross margins tell a compelling story of profitability. Resolve AI boasts an exceptional 95.6%, and Cerence Inc. isn't far behind at 72.7%, indicating highly efficient, high-value software services. SentinelOne also impresses with a strong 74.7% gross margin, Stagwell at 36.2%, and Snap at 54.3%, reflect the dynamics of their respective industries. Dividend yields are a blank slate across the board, which is typical for high-growth tech companies that reinvest heavily. Finally, earnings per share reveal profitability struggles, with most of these AI companies still operating at a loss, as expected for growth-focused ventures. However, Stagwell stands out with a positive EPS of $0.11, indicating it has reached profitability, which is a rare and encouraging sign among this group of high-growth AI plays. So these are 7 powerful AI stocks, all trading under $15, with the potential to deliver significant returns as the AI revolution continues to reshape our world. Which of these AI stocks under $20 do you think has the most explosive potential, and why? Drop your insights, predictions, and alternative picks in the comments section below. And don't miss our video right here on 5 most undervalued tech stocks to buy, according to hedge funds.